Hello, my name is Parker and I work for YEG SEO. We are a marketing agency here in Edmonton, and I happen to be doing some research in your industry and I came across your website, and I figured I'd shoot you guys over this quick video to go over 3 things that you can do today to start beating out your competition online. Now, I don't want to waste any of your time, and I don't want to waste mine either. So if by the end of this video you guys like what you see, and if you would like to know more on how we can help grow your business online, then give me a call and I'd love to have a chat. If not, then no harm, no foul. You can take these tips that I'm giving you in this video and put them into action for your business today. Now, let's get right into it. The 3 things I'm going to go over today are content, citations, and backlinks. First thing is content, and that's basically anything you can see on the front page, including the pictures, what the pictures are saved as, and what's behind the pictures are all included as content. So for example, if I try and save one of these images on your website here, you'll see it's saved as CTA-2, or this one over here would be saved as CTA1, and you can actually save those images as certain keywords that you would want to be searched for. So for example, this image could be saved as plumbing, this one could be plumbing and heating in Edmonton, and just saving those images as different keywords will help you be searched for more easily. All of those factors can be seen by the Google search engine, so making sure you have enough unique, relevant, and high quality content on your front page allows you to add in more keywords and phrases that people are going to be using to search for you when they are looking for your types of services. So having more content filled with those keywords is really going to help you. We like to have at least 1,500 words on a home page because it helps with getting optimized by Google and putting in all of those keywords I'm talking about. So as I continue to look through your website here, it does look pretty good already. However, I would add more content to the front page, especially with the words itself. Like I said, we like to look for at least 1,500 words on the home page. Now, the second thing I want to get into are citations. And you can see here all I searched for was Edmonton plumbing. And your citations are mainly going to take place in this Google Maps section here. And essentially what a citation is just your business's name, address, and phone number listed into different directories throughout the web. And you might be wondering what a directory is or how can I get in them, and simply it is just a website out there that allows businesses to add their business information and services, such as Yelp or Yellow Pages or LinkedIn, or even Facebook has a directory for citations. And all those citations are going to do are help give you guys another avenue for people to reach you and find your business online. And the more that you have, the more likely you are going to show up in the map section right here. A good strategy that I like to use is to see the competition in the area and see what directories they are using, because there's a good chance if those directories are working for them, they are also going to work for you. And you don't want to just go out and get what your competition has. You want to get what they have and add even more to it so that eventually you will completely outrank them on Google, and in return have a better chance of showing up on this map section here. Now, the third thing I wanted to go over are backlinks, and that'll take place right down here in the organic part of Google. So all a backlink is essentially just another website that is linking back to you guys saying that you offer plumbing and heating types of services in the area. That way it brings more relevance in keywords that you guys are trying to rank for people to find you more easily. Now with this tool that we like to use called Ahrefs, I can actually see the amount of referring domains and backlinks a website would have, and also the traffic they are bringing in monthly. So I can see here that you guys have 33 referring domains making up for 218 backlinks, and that is giving you 24 organic clicks of traffic per month. And if I actually click right here in the referring domains, I can actually see all of the different websites linking back to yours right now, giving you guys some authority and relevance in the marketplace. We would then look at your competition as well and compare. So here, looking at your competition, you can see that they have 313 referring domains for almost 1.8 thousand backlinks, and that is giving them 4.8 thousand clicks of organic traffic every single month through Google. Now, in order to beat out your competition, you're going to want to be finding the same links that they're being listed in or getting referred to from. And you're going to want to get the same type of links for yourself. And just like Citations, you don't want to stop there with what your competition has. You want to go out and get more than what they have so that eventually you can beat them out online. So I really hope that this video has been informative for you guys. Like I said, you're free to take these tips and use them for yourself. Or if you would like to discuss further on how our team at YEG SEO can help grow your business online, then feel free to contact me and I'd be happy to jump on the phone with you guys. My information is right here. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video and have a great day.